Chrysler, Jeep, Dodge Ram. Taking this in for an oil change. And that's all. Well, here I am getting an oil change on my Challenger, and I see this Hornet still here, same one. And it's new, 2024. And then they have what, $3,139 in extras. You see the inventory has changed, or they've moved stuff around, but I remember they had that lime green Challenger, and it was quite an eye catcher. So let's take a look and see what they have around now. Granite Pearl Coat 22 Dodge Challenger GT. Yeah, that Granite Pearl Coat really has a lot of flake in it, metallic in it. So yeah, a lot of metallic. It really shines. It really looks good. Never actually got close to this color of a Challenger. Quite nice. And then here's the B5 Blue Scat Pack. This was here last time, pretty sure. And then another 22 GT. Octane Red Pearl Coat. Another nice color. That would have been my second choice for my car. I was thinking white or this Octane Red Pearl Coat. I really like the color. It's not too bright. It has a lot of metallic in it. Kind of subtle, but yet really good looking. And another 392 Scat Pack Charger. 2022 with almost 21,000 miles on it. Cloth interior. It has the bigger screen. I don't know if it has nav or not. And what we have here, this one's fancy. It's black with the orange lettering and brake calipers. And it's also a 22. And you just have to call up and stop by if you want to see what these prices are. Pretty typical these days. another Scat Pack. Okay, let's go take a look at this one. That looks like the Scat Pack version of the color car I have, with the blackout package and everything. So I used to have a Scat Pack that looked like this quite a bit, except mine was a shaker. So yeah. It's 23 in white knuckle. Yeah, see, it doesn't have the adaptive cruise control. Mine had that. I really like it on the longer travel. And this has the leather interior, the Alcantara mine had. So, nice vehicle. So I guess this one is new. So $59,374 is the asking price, and they have, like, I'm not sure how much in extras, but you can see there, dealer installed extras, $3,139. What year is this? I can't see. I don't see the year. Must be missing it. It should be here somewhere. Anyway, nice vehicle. Yeah, they changed the hoods, I think, since I had one in 2017 model. Didn't have those vents. And of course it had the shaker, so a little bit different. So another beautiful day in North Carolina, Concord area. Plenty of vehicles to choose from. Jeeps. Hendrick is a big dealership, so they have quite a variety of vehicles. These days, I think you can negotiate quite a bit on the price. So do your homework. Look at different websites, and Car Gurus, Cars.com, Auto Trader, all that. See what used and new ones are going for, whichever is your choice. And figure out a price you want to negotiate. Why did I bring in my 2023 Dodge Challenger GT all-wheel drive in for an oil change when I only have just over 1,000 miles on it? Well, the vehicle was produced in January of 2023, and now it's June of 2024. So a year and a half without an oil change. I think the break-in oil is done, and I want to put some fresh oil in it and have the opportunity to drive it a little harder. So thanks for watching Hemisphere Cars. Please like and subscribe. Hemisphere Cars, over and out.